Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to export results from Google AI Studio in 2026. If you want to save AI-generated responses for later use or share them with others, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to Google AI Studio using your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, open the prompt or conversation that contains the results you want to export. Next, review the AI-generated response and make sure it includes everything you need. If necessary, refine your prompt and generate a new response before saving it. Now look for the copy, export, download, or share option if it's available in your version of Google AI Studio. The available options may vary as the platform is updated. If there isn't a direct export feature, simply highlight the generated text, copy it, and paste it into your preferred document editor, note-taking app, or project management tool. Next, save your document in the format you prefer, such as a text file, Word document, or PDF, depending on how you plan to use the content. If you're using Google AI Studio through the API, you can also save the generated responses directly from your application by storing the returned output in your own database or file system. Finally, organize your exported content with clear file names so it's easy to find and reuse in future projects. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export results from Google AI Studio step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.